Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Kids Creative Art, the happiest place to draw, color, and have fun. Today, we're drawing something small, red, and super sweet. Can you guess what it is? Yes! It's a cherry. Or actually, two cherries hanging together on a little stem. Step 1. Let's start by drawing a circle on one side of your page. This is the first cherry. Step 2. Now draw another circle next to it, just a little overlapping. This will be the second cherry. Yum! Step 3. Let's add the stems. Draw 2 curved lines going up from each cherry and have them meet at the top. Step 4. Where the stems meet, draw a small leaf, just a curved shape like a teardrop. That makes it extra cute. Awesome job drawing. Now let's color our cherries. I'm using red for the fruit, green for the leaf. What colors are you using? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and easy drawings every week.